Welcome back to Rich for Purpose. I wanted to make this video for anyone out there that's seen what's going on with Wall Street bets and Robinhood and wanted to get started in investing. Maybe you made an account, maybe you bought some GameStop, maybe you put some money in your account and you've seen GameStop go up too much and it's just sitting on the sideline, but you want to get involved in the markets and you want to start investing. So I wanted to make a couple things out there that gave me lots of success in my account and share it with you guys so that you guys can hit your goals, grow your accounts way more profitable than you ever thought you could, and point out a couple things. So the first one is invest and don't trade, and that at least with your profits. So say you put $1,000 in your account, don't go around day trading with it and buying it and buying and selling and buying and selling, because chances are you're probably going to lose money doing that. You're going into a fight against Wall Street, and they're trained professionals. They're going to knock you out real quick. So my suggestion would be to put your money in your account and maybe take 10% of what you have in there and do some risky plays. Do some day trades with that 10%. Buy some options. Do some options and stuff with that 10% you have. And then the profits you make from that, buy some more long-term shares and invest for the long term with your profits from that 10% of risk that you're taking. And maybe some of you say, well, I don't have a lot of money. I don't have thousands and thousands of dollars to start investing. So what's the point? My rate of return is going to be very little. But if you look at this picture, you just plant that first seed. Just keep doing that over and over, and it's going to grow and grow and grow. And even if it's a tiny amount, once you get the ball rolling, you'll be surprised at how fast and how much it grows. And that's what I did, and that's what helped me be pretty successful with my trading or with my investing. The next one is learn and grow and learn and grow. I feel like you're never going to stop learning and stop growing, and you're never going to stop learning new ways of investing, learning new strategies, learning about options, learning about dividends, learning about this and this, and never stop learning and growing in that aspect. And your portfolio will show. The more you learn, the better and better quality of portfolio you'll have, but also the more exposure to different ways of making money you'll have. So keep learning and keep growing, keep watching things on YouTube and stuff like that. Next one is the long term. I feel like with Wall Street bets and a lot of younger people nowadays, we want to make money quick. We want to get rich quick, basically. And looking at Wall Street bets, that's what a lot of it is about, is putting 100% of your portfolio into one play, and then when it pays off, you made a ton of money. But if you look at their loss section, people literally blew their accounts up doing this type of thing. And some people get lucky, but a lot of people don't. So I don't encourage it. If you want to take the risk, again, do it with a small amount. But when I invest in the long term, see this yellow line here? This is what I expect to happen. That's what I aim for. But I cannot tell you how many times this is how it plays out. I invest for the long term, but it ends up performing way better than I ever thought possible. Another thing I wanted to get into was maybe you guys decided to put all your money into GameStop. Maybe you bit off too much of that risk than you could afford to lose or were willing to lose. I wanted to say, don't stop believing in yourself and in your goals and what you can achieve. Because in 2016, when I started investing, I put all my portfolio into one play. It was called Dry Ships. And my account went from a couple grand up to 20 something thousand. And I thought it was the coolest thing in the world. And then within a day or two, boom, I lost more money than it even started before that went. I lost all my profits. I was back down. I had like 3 grand left. And I walked away from trading. I gave up on it. I didn't like it. I thought it was a scam that Wall Street's rigged. And I let that money sit on the sidelines for a couple of years until I decided to get up, dust myself off, and say, well, I did it once, maybe I can do it again. But this time, going back into it, I learned from what happened the first time. So if this happened to you, pick yourself up and dust yourself off and get back into it, but learn what you did wrong the first time. Because when I got back into it now, learning from that, my account has grown so much more than I could have even thought possible. With that $3,000, I've grown it over $50,000 now at least, and I've been able to pull money out and stuff like that. So just believe in yourself and don't give up, and just learn from it, but get back into it and keep going, because I believe that investing is, you know, the earlier you start, the better off you're gonna be. The younger you start, then it's gonna pay off a ton in your future. So a quick recap is invest, don't trade, at least with your profits. Take the 10%, but invest the 90% profits, and it's going to pay off. It's going to be the slow, long grind, but it's going to pay off, and a lot more safer. Keep on learning, and I wanted to point this out, is go check out the Trading Fraternity or Stock Market Live on YouTube. When I came back after giving up on trading, I found that channel. And that's what's helped me out so much, is there's so much material on the Trading Fraternity about learning about options and stuff. And then the live show every single day where you can ask questions and stuff, that has helped me out a lot. And it would be a disservice if I didn't share that, what's helped me grow so much, with you guys. So everyone that wants to learn about trading options or investing, he gives sound advice, and it works. So go check out the Trading Fraternity, Stock Market Live. And then the last thing, 80-90% in your long term. And please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I want to keep on, I feel like my channel has turned into specific stock picks and specific stock plays, but what I built the channel on was wanting to help people where I was at a year ago. So I'll still do the stock picks and stuff, but I also want to focus on helping people out that want to learn and grow and get better and better at it. So again, thank you for watching. Please thumbs up the video, subscribe to the channel. God bless you guys, and I will see you guys next time.